Today, you are going to learn how to claim tax relief for work expenses using ChatGPT as your tax assistant. I will walk you through the exact prompts you can copy and paste so you can identify which expenses qualify, how much you can claim, and how to stay organized for future claims. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, employees, hybrid workers, nurses, tradespeople, and anyone who spends their own money for work. Before you begin, gather information on the expenses you paid for out of pocket. This may include uniforms, tools, equipment, travel costs, professional fees, and working from home expenses. If you are not sure what qualifies, the first prompt will help you. Start with create a beginner-friendly list of work expenses that qualify for tax relief in the UK with simple examples. This gives you a clear overview of allowable expenses. Next, personalise your claim using ask me questions about my job and my expenses. Then create a list of which ones I can legally claim for tax relief. After answering, you will receive a customized list based on your role. If you want help calculating your claim, use Calculate My Estimated Tax Relief based on the expenses I provide and explain how the calculation works. If you claim mileage or travel, add Explain how to claim mileage or travel expenses for my job with simple examples. Before submitting your claim, double check with list the common mistakes people make when claiming tax relief for work expenses so I can avoid them. Finally, build a good routine using create a simple monthly system for tracking receipts and work expenses for next year's tax claim. And that is it. Claiming tax relief becomes simple once you understand which expenses qualify and keep your records organised. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to guide your process smoothly. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with, so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.